सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल सर्वेटेक को और आज देखें सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम पर आधारित लेटेस्ट MCQ क्वेश्चंस का यह भाग 2 अर्थात सेट नंबर 45। तो फ्रेंड्स, जैसा कि मैंने बताया था कि द सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम डिलीवर्स ऑक्सीजन एंड न्यूट्रिएंट्स टू सेल एंड टेक away wastes. The heart pumps oxygenated and deoxygenated blood on different sides. The types of blood vessels include arteries, capillaries, and veins. And today, our MCQ type questions is based upon the fact that all cells in the body need to have oxygen, nutrient, and they need their waste removed. These are the main roles of the circulatory system. The heart, blood, and blood vessels work together to service the cells of the body using the network of arteries, veins, and capillaries. Blood carries carbon dioxide to the lungs for exhalation and picks up oxygen from the small intestine. The blood gathers food nutrients and delivers them to every cell. So, friend, I am going to discuss some more MCQ type questions in the series of about 200 plus MCQ type questions of circulatory system or blood vascular system. Now, here the question number 1: which part of the body can be called a kind of the blood bank? So far, the graveyard of the RBC is concerned with the spleen. Here, the blood bank is also known as spleen, which act as temporary storage of the blood. Now, the question number 2: which blood vessels carry pure blood from the lungs to the heart? Here, the option number 2, B, is correct answer. That is, the pulmonary veins are the blood vessels carry pure blood from the lungs to the heart. Here the option number B is correct answer for the question number 2. Now the question number 3. The blood vessels containing oxygenated blood is here the pulmonary vein. As we know, all the veins carries impure blood except the pulmonary vein, which carries oxygenated blood. Now the question number 4. The blood vessels containing deoxygenated blood is here the pulmonary artery is right option for the question number 4. That is option number B. Pulmonary artery contain deoxygenated blood. Here we should have to know the theme that all artery carries impure blood, that is pure blood, that is the oxygenated blood, except the pulmonary artery who carries the deoxygenated blood or so called minus O2 blood. Now the question number 5: which of the following artery doesn't have carry oxygenated blood? It is a pulmonary artery which does not carry oxygenated blood. It carries deoxygenated blood. Now the question number 6. Which of the following has a closed type of circulatory system? Fish has a closed type of circulatory system. Now the question number 7. What is the approximate weight of the human heart? It is the option number A, 250 to 300 gram. The is the approximate weight of human heart. Now the question number 8. Which of the following parts of the body is called the heart pacemaker? It is known as sinus node or SAN, which is abbreviated for sinoauricular node. Now the question number 9. Which of these structures is nearest to the atrioventricular node? This is the atrioventricular septum, which divides the atrium and ventricle. Is the structure nearest to the atrioventricular node? That is option number C is correct answer for the question number 9. Question number 10. By which types of the tissue atrioventricular septum composed of? It is composed of fibrous tissue. Option number B is correct answer for question number 10. Now the question number 11. Which of the following are not a component of the circulatory system? Here, the villi is not the component of the circulatory system. It is the part of the small intestine and it increases the area of absorption. These are called Rashankur in Hindi. Now, the question number 12. The blood channels that convey blood away from the heart are known as. Question number 12 has option number D is correct answer. This is the arteries. Now the question number 13. The blood channels that transfer blood from the body to the heart and back again are known as. Here question number 13 will have the correct answer, that option number C, veins. Question number 14. Where are red blood cells are formed or produced? This is the bone marrow where red blood cells are produced. Now, question number 15. A double membrane sac that protects the human heart is known as the pericardium. It protects the heart from the shock. Now the question number 16. Which of the following is the largest artery of the human body? It is the aorta, which is the largest artery of the human body. Now, what is the inadequate blood supply in the human body is called? It is called ischemia. Now the question number 18. Coronary artery disease, CAD, is often referred to as. Here the option number C is correct answer for question number 18. Now the question number 19. Which of the following white blood cells is capable of phagocytosis? Here the option number D, that is the neutrophil. Now the question number 20. What would happen to the red blood cells if the heme group were removed from the hemoglobin? Friends, as we know that oxyhemoglobin combined with the oxygen in our lungs and carry the oxygen to cells. So red blood cells would not be able to bind oxygen if heme group of the red blood cells were removed from the hemoglobin. Now the hormone erythropoietin stimulates the red blood cells production in the red bone marrow. Where in the body is erythropoietin produced? Here the right answer for this question, that is the option number B, kidney. Kidney, the site of production of erythropoietin, which stimulates the production of RBC in red bone marrow. And your question is concerned with the kidney where the erythropoietin is produced. Now the question number 22. Which of the following statement about the erythrocyte is correct? Here option number C is correct answer. They lack nucleus, and because nucleus is absent in the RBC, so DNA will be also absent in the RBC. Now the question number 23. Where does hematopoiesis take place? Question number 23 have a option number D is correct answer. This is the bone marrow. Where does hematopoiesis take place? Question number 24. The formation of the blood clot is known as which of the following? Coagulation is the process of the formation of the blood clot. Now the question number 25. Platelets are formed from what type of cells? It is the megakaryocyte cells which produce platelets. It is found in the bone marrow. Now the question number 26. Find the correct statement for WBCS. Here, the option number A, correct answer. It can squeeze through the blood capillaries when infection at any place take place in our body. The WBC squeeze through the blood capillaries and fight with the microorganism which causes the symptoms in our body. Now, here, the question number 27, an increased white blood cells count is indicative of which disease? Here, the option number B is correct answer for this question, anemia. Now, the question number 28. The process of coagulation is classically divided into how many pathways? This is divided into question number 28. D. Option number D, that is the process of coagulation or clotting of the blood is classically divided into 4 pathways. Question number 29. What is the normal pH of the human blood? It is 7.4, which is the pH of the human blood. Now, question number 30. Which component of the blood acts as anticoagulant? This is the heparin, which prevents the coagulation of blood inside our body when the blood flowing inside the blood vessels. It doesn't clot. It prevents the blood clotting. Now, the question number 31. Which of the following mineral ions play the main role in the blood clotting? This is the Ca, calcium ion. Now, question number 32. Which of the following vitamins is essential for blood clotting? It is the vitamin K. Here, the last option, that is the vitamin K, and K has not printed. So, here the option number D, vitamin K, is essential for blood clotting. Now, the question number 33. Which of the following plasma protein help in the blood clotting? This is the fibrinogen, which helps. Fibrinogen is the type of the plasma protein which helps in the blood clotting. So, blood clotting is very remarkable function in our body. When our veins broken and blood passes out from the blood vessels, then fibrinogen, then vitamin K, then Ca and RBC and thrombin act together to form some network in which RBC are entangled and the blood prevent to flow that it coagulate. Now, the question number 34. Which of the following blood cells play an important role in the blood clotting? It is the erythrocyte or RBC, which is also known as red blood cells, which contains hemoglobin, is blood cells play an important role in blood clotting. Now, the question number 35. Which of the following is correct? Here, the option number C is correct answer for this question, that is blood comprises plasma, RBC, WBC and platelets. There are 4 components of the blood. This is the plasma, in which the solid blood cells RBC, WBC and platelets are found. Now, the question number 36. Serum differs from the blood as it lacks. Here, the option number C is correct answer, and the serum albumins are absent, or serum lacks albumin. Now, limbs differs from the blood in having more RBC and less WBC, more WBC and no RBC. Here the option number C is correct answer for the question number 37. more WBC and no RBC. That is, the RBC are not found in the lymph, RBC are found in the blood. This is the great difference between the blood and the lymph. Now the question number 38, the plasma protein responsible for the blood clotting is fibrinogen. Now the question number 39, DNA is not present in. Here, question number 39, answer will be D, that is a mature RBC. We know that RBC is not generally found in that nucleus is not generally found in the mature RBC of the mammals. So we know that DNA is present in the nucleus, and if nucleus will be absent, then DNA will be also absent. Now the question number 40, the globulins of the blood plasma are responsible for. Here, now question number 40, answer A, that is defense mechanism. Question number 41, WBCS, which releases heparin and histamines, are neutrophils. Option number B, correct answer. Option number A, basophils. WBC, which release heparin and histamines, is known as basophils. Now the question number 42, WBC, which are the most active phagocytic cells. Here the option number C, correct answer, neutrophils and monocytes. Monocytes, which is the largest WBC or leukocyte. It is very also an important question. Now the question number 43, which of the following is the main component of the plasma in the blood? This is the water, which constitutes the main component of the plasma. And question number 44, what is the function of erythropoietin in the body? It promotes the red blood cells production, and this is a hormone which is secreted from the kidney. Now question number 45, which blood vessels carries oxygenated blood from lungs to the heart? This is the pulmonary vein, which carries oxygenated blood from lungs to the heart. Lungs is the site of the purification of the blood. It converts the deoxygenated blood into oxygenated blood, which is carried from the lungs to the heart through the pulmonary vein. And we know that all veins carries impure blood or deoxygenated blood, except this pulmonary vein, which carries the oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. This is very remarkable point to remember. Now the question number 46, in which part of the heart does the arterial systole occur? Here the option number A, right atrium. Now the question number 47, what is the name of the valve located between the left atrium and left ventricle? This is the bicuspid valve, also known as mitral valve. Whereas the tricuspid valve is concerned, it is located in between the right atrium and right ventricle. Now the question number 48, which component of blood is responsible for the clotting of the blood? This is the platelets, which play an important role in the clotting of the blood. Now the question number 49, what is the average lifespan of the red blood cells in the human body? It is 120 days, 120 दिन होता है आरबीसी का लाइफ स्पान, जीवन अवधि. Now which blood vessels carries deoxygenated blood from the body to the right atrium of the heart? This is the superior vena cava, which carries deoxygenated blood from the body to the right atrium of the heart. Now, question number 51, which is the function of the lymphatic cells in the circulation of the fluid in the body? Here, the option number C, correct answer, immune response and fluid balance, that is question number 52. Which blood component play a crucial role in the immune response by producing antibodies? This is our white blood cells. Question number 52. Answer number option number C, white blood cells, particularly the lymphocyte. Now the question number 53. Which point the right ventricle contracts and blood is pumped out? Here, the option number C is correct answer, pulmonary aorta. Question number 54. Who operates the first heart transplantation procedure? This is the Christian Bernard. Who operates the first heart transplant procedure? Here, option number C is correct answer for the question number 45. Here, the option number question number 44 will have answer option number C, Christian Bernard. Now the question number 55. Which part of the body can be called a kind of the blood bank? It is the spleen polyha. Now the question number 56. Which of the following artery does not carry oxygenated blood? This is the pulmonary artery. Now which carries the deoxygenated blood, where all artery carry oxygenated blood. It is the exception for the artery. Now the question number 57. Which of the following has a closed type of circulatory system? This is the fish. Question number 59. The study of the blood is called hematology, and the study of the cardiovascular system is called angiology, where the cardiology is the study of the heart and osteology is the study of bones. Now the question number 59. Which type of the tissue is the atrioventricular septum composed of fibrous tissue? And question number 16. Which of the tissue structure nearest to atrioventricular node, that is the atrioventricular septum, is the structure nearest to the atrioventricular node? Question number 60. Option number C. And last question as on a screen. Which of the following parts of the body is called the heart pacemaker? It is the sinus node, sinoauricular node, abbreviated as SAN, and which is also known as the pacemaker of the heart. It is the natural pacemaker. Now, I have provided the answers of the above questions, and I hope you will again see my video, observe the questions, and for your convenience and help, I have provided the answers of the above questions, that is 61 plus questions. And again, I will request, if you like our videos, then please subscribe, like and share. And now I am going at the end of my video. Thanks for watching. Good night.